Hey guys, Ben from weavix here. We're here at Pack Expo East, and so weavix is the inventor of the Walt Smart Radio system, and our mission is to connect every disconnected worker. So we do that through our proprietary hardware called the Walt Smart Radio. So if you see that it's not a phone, right? This exists between radios, the traditional Motorola LMR radio, and a smartphone. It's purpose built. It's a custom OS, so it's not Android, it's not iPhone. That means there's no games, there's no web browsers, right? It's a purpose-built device for work. As you can see, we have unlimited channels. You can do group and one-to-one channels. But what this really lets you do is include every single worker. And one of the ways we can do that is through our live language translation feature. So in this example, this device right here is in Spanish. This is Raul. I'm going to switch him to the maintenance channel. So I can speak in English and it'll come over instantly in Spanish. Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you? Hola, ¿qué tal?
There we go. So you can see how that can kind of break down those barriers, right, and make sure that all your workforce is included. One of the things we wanted to make sure of is that it's easy to use for the worker, so every person can use it. So the way it works is we have a badge. We call it tap and go authentication. So each user has a badge. They use it to get in the door already. But they can come and they can grab any device off of a charger, pick it up, tap the badge to it, enter a 6-digit PIN, and now it's theirs for the day. So at the end of the shift, all they do is dock it, it logs them out, wipes it, it's ready for the next person. So very, very easy to deploy, right? So we have a bunch of other advanced systems that we can do, things like forms. So you can actually create custom forms on the Walt and push those out to the worker. So things like work order requests, safety observations, things like that. This is truly the digital hub for the worker, for the frontline worker. The other really cool thing that we have are a series of integrations. So this is getting really, really big, especially in manufacturing. So downtime is our enemy, right? We want to eliminate downtime. And so what we can do is we can integrate with things like machinery, we can integrate with other things to let people know, hey, there's a problem. In this example I'll show right here, we have an emergency stop button. So let's say that, something's going on, somebody's got to hit the button. You hit the button, right, so now the maintenance team knows and the safety teams knows there's an emergency stop when and where you have it. So really, weavix, we're connecting those disconnected frontline workers, we're creating a digital hub, and we're really taking the radio to the next step.